The Dangote Petroleum Refinery on Friday raised the export price of premium motor spirit (PMS), also known as petrol, to 880 naira per litre. This marks an increase of 55 naira from the previous price of 825 naira per litre. The new rate was confirmed through petroleumprice.ng, a fuel tracking platform, and a pro forma invoice obtained by the Punch. Experts say the price increase will lead to higher pump price, especially in places far from major fuel depots. In some areas, petrol could sell over 900 naira per litre, even though the global oil prices have dropped. The Dangote Refinery says rising operation costs and unstable exchange rate are pushing prices up. Aliko Dangote, president of Dangote Group, said his refinery is now relying more on imported crude oil from the United States due to shortages in local supply. Between April and July 2025, the refinery plans to import 17.65 million barrels of crude, with 3.65 million barrels already received. This is part of the federal government's Naira for crude deal to support local refineries. During a meeting with the technical committee of the one-stop shop, Dangote explained that Nigeria's crude oil supply is not enough, so his refinery has no choice but to bring in more crude from abroad. Labor unions have criticized the price hike, saying it is unfair to Nigerians. Festus Osifo, president of the Petroleum and Natural Gas Senior Staff Association of Nigeria, Pegasan, said oil marketers are taking advantage of the situation. Nigeria suffer when prices go up. They should also benefit when prices drop. So Osifo said some marketers had delayed price changes earlier in the week because the refinery had paused sales and withheld new pro forma invoices. This move led to panic buying and price speculation across fuel depots. We'll continue to supply you more trending news, updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.